So it's 7:30 this morning, and we're trying to make it to the. We're trying to do a hike. This Soldiers, what is it called, babe? Soldiers Trail.
Soldiers Pass.
Soldiers Pass, and we got here at 6, but there was a gate saying that we had to be there at 8. We didn't see the gate yesterday, so we go out to eat, come back, and we get back, and there's a line of 7, and there's only 14 parking spots. So we had to leave though, because apparently you have to have a Red Rocks pass to get it to do this trail and park here. And if you don't have that pass, you have to park like 3 miles down the road, and we don't want to walk. Passed up, we got them. Freaking rushing this. We're doing this Amazing Race style. We are in a race right now. The lady's supposed to be holding our spot.
All right, what happened?
Our lady, she held our spot for us, and we got it, so that worked out good.
Hey, didn't you see the line?
People are getting pissed. People are honking their horns. They don't say anything about Red Rock Pass.
They don't say nothing about these Red Rock Passes.
I don't know if we needed it or not. I don't know. That lady in the Camaro said I did, so I just went. I don't know. All right, we're gonna park. See you in a sec.
What do I believe? What makes me feel it? To write you this song. 2 hours a day, 5 months and a year. Oh, I loved you too long.
Oh, it is significantly cooler up here.
I know, I can feel it climbing.
Feels great over there.
Wow. Got it. Wow. Hell yeah. Oh, what's up, man? You made it. Good, good.
I just straddled that thing. It was not pretty.
Right?
It was not a pretty.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
Yeah. It's like inching up.
Yeah.
I literally cannot.
I feel like Nathan Drake, babe.
You are like Nathan Drake.
What's up?
Hey man, you made it, huh?
Easy peasy. What way did you guys come up?
Oh, we're just been walking around.
Oh, well. That's awesome.
How was that coming up?
It wasn't too bad.
You're...
I've certainly done worse ones. Wow, man. This is something else, though. Whew. It's a little windy. gonna set the props up on this guy and jam it around. So I'm gonna set up shop and get some cool shots.
What's going on, everybody? Good morning, good morning. We are cooking bacon. Froze our asses off last night. Our blankets, we didn't have enough of them. And we're so cold, we have double layer clothes on.
Double layers. This is where we slept last night. In our beautiful tent. But it was so cold. We had not enough blankets.
I'm freaking cold.
Your beanie is in the...
Camp down here. The views out here are absolutely so beautiful. It's blowing my mind. It's like you're doing a slot canyon, but a bit spread out. It's not exactly a slot, but it's down in the canyon.
All right.
All right, we're doing apple pancakes today. Nice.
Flip flop, there we go.
Flip flop, you don't stop. Look how golden and perfect it is.
Oh yeah.
Oh my,
boy.
caught it on video.
Every time.
Oh my gosh. That one wasn't very appley anyways.
These pancakes are awesome. Here we go.
Does it need syrup?
Yeah, you probably need more syrup.
It is good with the apples in there though.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's super good.
Yeah, I'm assuming this is the little hut. This is where it should be. We just made it to Bell Rock over here, and we ran into some of our people we've met on the last trail. Later, dude. I think one of the best parts about this trip is just the people we've gotten to meet. We went out to eat with another group of people we met, and that was pretty cool. And we ran into these guys, and I don't know. I think that's just a really cool part. But
Adventurous.
yeah, just other adventurous. That's what it is. Yeah, I think so, for sure. So you want to put your foot right there where that little ledge is. Other foot. Yeah, there you go. That's perfect. Yep.
Are you gonna hold me, babe?
Yeah, come on. Foot there. Up, up, up to that next little dome. You're welcome. Good job. This dome, I'll hang out for a second here. It's just really beautiful out here. It's just quite the sights. I'm gonna fly the drone around later and see if we can catch some good stuff. All right, we're hitting the road. Oh, I gotta wait for Alana, she's getting dressed. And we're gonna decide if we're going to Havasu or if we're going to the Grand Canyon. All right, ready to roll. All right, let's go.